Dear students, Namaste and welcome back to a new mathematics session. In the previous session, we have discussed questions from exercise 13.2. Hope it was clear for you all. In today's session, we shall discuss the surface area of cone and also we shall solve problems from exercise 13.3. Let's move on to the topic. Surface area of a right circular cone. As we have learned in the smaller classes, a cone is having two faces, curved surface and another one is a base, that is circle. So curved surface means which can be seen from outside, that is this portion, curved portion, and another one is the base. Base is a circle. And in case of cone, we need to learn about three measurements or three dimensions. One is the radius and another one is the height, another one is the length. So we need to learn a relation which is connecting LH and R. So LHR relation we need to learn, because for calculating the surface area or any other calculations related to cone, we need to calculate a missing quantity, maybe L or H or R, when the other two quantities are given to you. For that we need to learn about this LHR relation. Here L means it is the slant height, H means it is the height, perpendicular height, and R means it is the radius. And when you look at this figure, it is quite clear. Here the angle is 90 degree. It is a right circular cone. So here the angle is 90 degree. And if the angle is 90 degree means this is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, 90 degree opposite side is called the hypotenuse, and in a 90 degree triangle we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that the hypotenuse square, that is L square, is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides, that is R square and H square. So L square is equal to H square plus R square. That is what the relation, or L square is equal to R square plus H square. Anyway, you can write the right side, it's not a problem. From here we can calculate the value of L. So L is equal to, here this is L square. If you want to calculate L from L square means simply take the square root of the right side portion, that is H square plus R square or R square plus H square. If you want to calculate H from there, means H you have to keep this one, R you have to bring to the right side, sorry, left side, that is L square minus R square. H if you want to calculate from H square, you need to take the square root, that is square root of L square minus R square. And if you want to go for R, here R is there, H you have to bring to the left side, that is L square minus H square. R means square root, so square root of L square minus H square. So these are the three relations connecting L, H and R. L is equal to root of H square plus R square. As we know, L is the longest side, that is the hypotenuse. There is a sum, and the other two sides are smaller than L, means you have to subtract from L. So H is equal to root of L square minus R square. R is equal to root of L square minus H square. So quite simple formula. You must learn these three formulas because it is very important. Next one is curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone, the formula is pi RL. R is the radius and L is the slant height. And the total surface area means pi RL plus pi R square. As I mentioned before, here there is a curved surface. So curved surface area we have already learned, that is pi RL. And there is a base that is circular in shape. Circle area is pi R square. So pi RL plus pi R square is the total surface area. From here, pi R you can take common, pi R into, from the first term there is L balance, second term there is R balance, so L plus R. So pi R into L plus R is the formula for total surface area. Next we shall discuss the exercise questions. First question from exercise 13.3. Diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 cm and its land height is 10 cm. Find its curved surface area. Pi value is 22/7. It is given to us. So here find the curved surface area. Curved surface area of cone formula, let's recall, that is pi RL. Then you have to check whether R and L is given to us or not. Here you can come. Base diameter is given to us, means radius will get. And slant height, that means L is also given. So R and L is given, so no need of any additional calculation. Directly we can substitute it in the formula. So let's write the given things. Radius is diameter by 2, that is 5.25 centimeter. And slant height is 10 centimeter. And curved surface area of cone formula is pi RL. Let's substitute it. Pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is 5.25 into height is 10. So this is in decimal form. Write it in fraction. 22 by 7 into 525 by 100 into 10. Now here 20 you can cancel it. That means you can 7 and 525 75 times will go. That means 22 into 75 by 10 is our balance. So keep it in your mind. Then 22 into 75, here these two cancel and we have 10 balance. Let it be there. Then we have to multiply this 22 and 75. Let's see, 22 and 75 multiplying time 1650 will come. And this 0 cancelled. And here there is one more 0 is there. That 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. So the balance is simply 165. So 165 centimeter square. That is the curved surface area of the cone. Second question from exercise 13.3. The question is, find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 21 meter and the diameter of its base is 24 meter. Pi value is 22 by 7. So here given things are slant height L is given, then diameter R is given. So here we have to calculate the total surface area. Total surface area of cone formula is pi R into R plus L. Means R and L are the measurements here. Both are given to us here. L is there, R will get from here. So it is a direct question. So that you have to try it as homework. Next we shall discuss the third question. The question is, curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. CSA is given to us 308 and slant height means L is given to us 14 centimeter. The first question is, find the radius of the base and assume that pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here radius of the base we have to calculate. That is a first question. So it is an indirect question. Let's write the curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone is 308. So curved surface area formula we know, that is pi RL is equal to 308. And here slant height means L is given to us 14 centimeter. Let's substitute it. So pi value is 22 by 7 into radius we don't know R. L we know it is slant height 14 from the question. So substitute 14 is equal to 308. So here 7 and 14 we can cancel 2 times, and 22 into R into 2, that is what on the left side balance, is equal to 308. That is R is equal to these two quantities on the left side will come to the right side as denominator. That is 308 divided by 22 into 2. Here it is 22 into 2. That is 44. So 44 7 times when you multiply you will get 308. Means this 44 and 308 can be cancelled 7 times. So R is equal to 7 centimeter. Next we have to find out the total surface area of the cone. Here also pi value is given to us 22 by 7. So here radius we have 7 centimeter we have calculated, and the slant height it is 14 centimeter from the question it is given to us. So total surface area of the cone we have to calculate. L is given 14, R is 7. We have copied the things. Now total surface area formula is pi R into L plus R. Let's substitute the values. Pi 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into L plus R. L is 14 and plus 7, 14 plus 7. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 plus 7 is 21. So here 7 and 7 also can be cancelled. 7 and 21 also can be cancelled. That is here 22 into 7 cancel. It is one time into 21. Then 22 into 21 when you multiply you will get 462 centimeter square. So the total surface area of the cone is 462 centimeter square. Next we shall discuss the fourth question. The question is, a conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Find the slant height of the tent. Pi value is 22 by 7. Here height is given to us 10 meter, radius is given to us 24 meter. By using LHR relation we have to find out L, slant height. So let's write the given things. Height is 10 meter, radius is given to us 24 meter. Then slant height we can take as L. By using LHR relation, we can say L square is equal to H square plus R square. Here H and R is with us. Let's write the values. 10 square plus 24 square. That is L square is equal to 10 square is 100. 24 square is 576. Then when we add this 100 and 576, we will get a 676. Then from here we can calculate the value of L. L is equal to root of 676. That is 26 meter. We know that 26 into 26 is 676. So when we take the square root of 676, we will get us 26 meter. Now the slant height is there 26 meter. Next, the second part of the question. Cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Pi value is 22 by 7. Cost of canvas required to make the tent. And first of all we need to find how much area is required to make the tent. How much area of cloth is required, how much area of canvas is required to make the tent, that we have to calculate. Then by using this rate, 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. By using this rate we can find out the total cost. So the tent shape is like this. We have all the values. Radius is 24 meter, height is 10 meter and L is 26 meter. So here first of all let's write the given things. Already it is written here, but anyway you can write one more time, it's not a problem. Curved surface area of the tent, that is what we have to calculate, because by using the canvas we are covering the curved surface of the cone. Then only we are getting the tent. While making the tent we are covering the curved surface first. So curved surface area of tent is pi RL formula. Pi is 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 24 into L is 26. We have got here L 26. Then here actually we need R and L only. H is not necessary for finding the curved surface. Then 22 into 24 into 76. Just to multiply it, this will come as 13,728. Please do not copy. Just to multiply it and check whether you are getting the answer or not. Divided by 7 meter square. So cost of 1 meter canvas is rupees 70. This division you no need to do because this can be cancelled in later. So just to keep denominator as it is. 13,728 divided by 7. Let it be same. Then by using the given condition, cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Actually we need this much unit, 13,728 by 7 meter square of canvas is required, because this is our curved surface area. Area need to be covered is this much. So cost of 13,728 by 7 meter square canvas is equal to 13,728 by 7 into 1 meter cost, 1 meter square cost, that is rupees 70. Now you just see this denominator what we kept before as it is. Here easily can be cancelled. 7 and 70 we can cancel 10 times. So 13,728 into 10. That means you will get us 1,37,280 rupees. So the cost we have got as 1,37,280 rupees. That is the cost. Next we shall discuss the fifth question. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stretching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. Pi value is here given to us 3.14. Here what length of tarpaulin? Here length of tarpaulin we need to calculate. As we know, tarpaulin means just we use for shading and all, that blue color sheet, that is called the tarpaulin. The shape of that one is usually in rectangular shape only. So length we need to calculate. Width of tarpaulin is given to us 3 meter. Will be required to make a conical tent. We are going to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and radius 6 meter. And assume that extra length of material that will be required for stretching margins, means we need to tie up the margins, and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. So the extra we need 20 centimeter margin. So let's visualize the conical tent or conical shape. Height is given to us 8 meter, radius is 6 meter. So let's write the given things. Tarpaulin will be on the curved surface of tent. In the previous question also we have created a tent, means for making the tent we need to cover the curved surface of the cone, then the tent will be formed. So curved surface area we need to calculate. For that, given to us r 6 centimeter and height is 8 meter. So curved surface area of cone formula we know it is pi rl, means curved surface area of tent also pi rl only. Here one thing is missing, that is L. We need to calculate L. Let it be the slant height. Let us assume the letter as L. Then we have to use the LHR relation. L square is equal to h square plus r square. Substitute it, 8 square plus 6 square, that is L square is equal to 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36. That is L square is equal to 64 plus 36 is 100. Quite simple number. L is equal to root of 100, that is equal to 10 meter. We have got the slant height. Now we can go for finding the curved surface area pi rl. Pi value is 3.14. It is given to us. So whatever value is given to us for pi, that value only you should use. So 3.14 into r, radius. Radius is 6. And length, that is slant height, 10 meter is substituted. That is equal to 314 into 6 we can multiply, that is 1884. So 1884, here after the decimal 2 digits, here there is 10. When we are rearrange it, we will get as 188.4. Here after the decimal 2 places, here 10 multiply means it will go only one place. So it will come as here, the decimal will come just between 8 and 4 because one digit from the right side. 188.4 meter square is the curved surface area of tent. Now area of tarpaulin material, that is area of tent. So how much area is required, that much area of tarpaulin only we need to make the tent. So tarpaulin is in the shape of a rectangle. As I mentioned before, it is having length and width. So length into breadth is equal to area of tent. So here length we don't know. Breadth of the tarpaulin is given to us 3 is equal to area of the tent. So length will be 1/3 of the area of tent. Just to bring these 3 on the denominator, length of the tarpaulin will be equal to 1/3 of the area of tent, or area of tent divided by 3. That is 188.4 divided by 3. Here the statement should be clear for you. Area of tarpaulin material, that means how much area we need for making the conical tent, will be equal to the area of the tent. Exactly the same amount of tarpaulin only we are using. Both areas will be same. So area of tarpaulin means tarpaulin is in the shape of a rectangle. So length into breadth is the area, and area of the tent we have already calculated, 188.4 meter square. So just substitute the breadth because we need the length. Length is equal to 188.4 divided by 3. That is, when you divide, you will get 62.8 meter. Normal division, that is mental calculation is enough to divide this one. 62.8 meter is the length of the tarpaulin. Now, length we have calculated, but there are some additional things are given to us. Here, assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching the margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. So approximately 20 centimeter margin we have to keep. This is a tarpaulin shape, that is length into breadth. We have a length 62.8 and breadth also it is given to us 3 meter before, here it is there. But we need to keep an extra margin of 20 centimeter for wastage in cutting and stitching and all. So given that the margin is 20 centimeter, this margin we have to keep. So total length will be length calculated. We have calculated some actual amount of length, that is 62.8, plus just we have to keep some amount for wastage, for balancing, that is plus margin. That is 62.8 meter plus 20 centimeter is our margin. But here you can see the units. These two are two different units. One is in meter, another one is in centimeter. So you have to change this one. So 62.8 plus 20 centimeter to meter is divided by 100. 20 divided by 100 meter. That is 62.8 meter plus 20 by 100. We know that it is 0.2 meter. When we add 62.8 plus 0.2, we will get as 63 meter. So the total length required is 63 meter. Move on to question number 6. The question is, the slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. Here let's go through the question again. The slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb. Conical tomb. Here tomb means it is a structure, large stone structure or underground room where someone, especially an important person, is buried. So it is a structure, that's all. Maybe it is underground or above the ground. It is a conical in shape, that's all. So here it is important is the shapes, the structure's shape, that is conical, are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per meter square. Let's visualize the shape is in conical. Diameter of the base it is given to us 14 meter and the slant height is 25 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface, means curved surface area. Curved surface area formula is pi RL. Radius is there, means we'll get from diameter. L also is there. So no need of any other calculations. Let's write the given things. Slant height is 25 meter. Radius is 14 by 2, that is 7 meter. Diameter by 2, that is 7 meter. Go for curved surface area of the top, that is pi RL, because we are going to paint the or whitewash its curved surface area. So pi RL is the formula. 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into slant height is 25. Here 7 and 7 can be cancelled. Then 22 into 25, when we multiply, we will get as 550 meter square. Here also, just like the previous calculations, you must do the rough calculation just the right side of this step. So curved surface area we have got 550 meter square. The cost of whitewashing 100 meter square area, it is given to us 210 rupees. For 100 meter square, 210. This statement is quite familiar for us. From here we will calculate 1 meter square area. Cost of whitewashing 1 meter square area means this 100 we have to bring to the right side. That is divided by 100. 210 divided by 100. So cost of whitewashing 550 meter square. We have 550 meter square area. That is 210 by 100 into 550. So we need to whitewash 550 meter square area. That means simply multiply this 1 meter square cost into 550. That is, just to do the calculations, and here 1 0 0 can be cancelled, here another 0 can be cancelled. So 21 into 55, when we multiply, you will get 1155. So the cost is 1155 rupees. So the cost of whitewashing the tomb is rupees 1155. We have written as conclusion. Move on to the 7th question. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height 24 cm. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. It's a very simple question. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone. It is a famous shape, that is a conical shape caps. That is joker's cap. Shape is right circular cone. Base radius is 7 cm. Height is 24 cm. We need to find the area of sheet required to make 10 such caps. So this is the shape of the cap. As we know, the cap making in the sense we need to make only the curved surface. That means we have to find out the curved surface area of the cone. But for finding the curved surface area, all the necessary quantities are there or not, that is what we have to check. H is there, R is there. But we know the curved surface area formula is pi RL. L is missing. So let's write the given things. R is 7 cm, height is 24 cm, slant height we don't know, we need. So let it be L. By using that formula, LHR relation formula, we can just calculate the value of L. After calculating L, we will go for calculating the curved surface area of one cap by using the formula pi RL, because cap in the sense we are covering only the curved surface of the cone. So pi RL is the area for one cap. So you substitute the values of R and L, you will get the area of one cap. We need area of 10 such caps. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So whatever area you are getting, you just multiply with 10, so that you will get the area of sheet required to make 10 caps. So this portion you will do it as homework. Next we shall discuss question number 8, and this is also the last question of this exercise. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 cm and height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is ₹12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? Pi value is 3.14 and root of 1.04 is 1.02. These two values are given to us. Here a bus stop is barricaded, means separated from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones. You might have seen these type of cones the traffic police usually used on the roads just to make the barricade. This is made of recycled cardboard. Here this barricade or these conical shaped things are made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter 40 cm, means radius we can calculate from here. Height is 1 meter. Remember, this is centimeter, this is meter. If the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted, means curved surface we need to paint. Cost of painting is given per meter square ₹12. What will be the cost of painting all these cones? Means 50 cones. What will be the cost of painting these 50 cones? This is what the question. So let's visualize the cone. Diameter is 40 cm and height is 1 meter. It is given to us. Height is 1 meter. Radius 40 by 2, that is 20 cm. We have to change this 20 cm to meter. Means centimeter to meter conversion is divided by 100. 20 by 100 is 0.2 meter. Now let the slant height be L, because we need to paint the outer surface, means the curved surface. Outer surface means this is the portion, so it is a curved surface. For calculating the area we need pi RL. So L is necessary there, so we have to calculate L. By using LHR relation, L square is equal to H square plus R square. Let's substitute the values. 1 square plus R square is 0.2 square. That is, L square is equal to 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. 0.2 square means 0.04. After the decimal, 2 digits will come when it is a square. So 2 digit means one more 0 we have to put. 0.04. When we add this one, it will come as 1.04. L is equal to root of 1.04. The value we can use, which is given to us, that is 1.02 meter. That is L. Now the curved surface area of one cone we can calculate by using the formula pi RL. So pi is 3.14 into radius is 0.2. It is given to us here, calculated here, into 1.02 is the slant height. So when we multiply 314 into 2, we will get 628. Then 628 we have to multiply with 102 by avoiding all the decimal portions. So we will get the answer as 64,056. Now you have to count the number of digits after the decimal. Here 2, here 1, here 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means the answer will come as 0.64056. So we need to keep 5 digit after the decimal. Means from here, from the right end, we have to move 5 places to the left. So the decimal comes here just behind 6. So 0.64056 meter square. Please do not copy this one, just do it yourself. Then curved surface area of 50 cones. Here this is one cone, 50 cone in the sense 50 into 0.64056. When you multiply 50 into this 0 we can just avoid. 5 into this 64056 as before, just remove without decimal we can multiply. So when you multiply it, you will get as 320280. Here after the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. And here there is 1 0 is there. That means only 4 0. only 4 places after the decimal. Here after the decimal total 5 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 10 is there, multiplying with 10. That means one decimal place will be removed, means balance 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So here we will get the answer as 1, 2, 3, 4. Means you have to keep the decimal between 2 and 0. So 32.028 meter square. Then cost of painting is given to us. Per meter square it is rupees 12. That means 1 meter square rupees 12. We have 32.028 meter square of area. That is equal to 12 into 32.08028. So 32028 into 12, when you multiply, you will get 384336. Just multiply and check. Then here after the decimal 3 digits are there. That means you will get the answer as 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 means between 4 and 3 the decimal will come. So 384.336 is the answer. Here since it is cost, after the decimal 2 digit is enough. So you have to round off. Since the third digit is 6, you can add 1 to the left. That means you will get as 384.34 approximate value. This is approximate in the sense we have rounded off. That's why it is called approximate value. So cost of painting 50 cones is rupees 384.34. This is the answer. Dear students, today we have discussed the curved surface area and the total surface area of cone and solved exercise problems from exercise 13.3. I request all the students to solve these questions independently in a sheet of paper. While solving, if you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the discussion session. Thank you for watching.